Welcome to today's Adobe Illustrator tutorial, where I'll guide you through the process of adding transparent text to an image. So let's dive in without an intro. Copy the image. Lock the main image by pressing Ctrl+2. Paste the image. Select the image using the pen tool or curvature tool. Bring to the front this selection. Select the image and the selection. Make a clipping mask. Write your text. Create outline. Copy it and make it a stroke line. Select both texts and align them properly.